Chacha is sitting there. He's continuously looking at you. Why?
He gives me positivity. Every time he smile, if I smile, then he take from me, then I take from him.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, मैं हूं मोहम्मद रमज़ान और आप देख रहे हैं लम्हा न्यूज़। नाजरीन, आज हम जब लम्हा न्यूज़ की टीम ऑफिस की तरफ गामजन थी तो रास्ते में हमें कुछ ये फॉरेनर्स नज़र आए जो कि मैं फ़ील हुआ जिस तरह ये लोगों से बात कर रहे थे और जिस तरह से बैठे हुए हैं रोड के दरमियान में, तो ऐसा लग रहा था जिस तरह ये भीख मांग रहे हैं, किसी से बैगिंग कर रहे हैं और लोगों से कुछ उनको ज़रूरत है किसी चीज़ की। तो देखते हैं ये क्या कर रहे हैं। और मुझे अगर तो ये भीख मांग रहे हों तो मुझे जो लगता है खान साहब का जो आइडिया था ना कि बाहर से लोग आकर यहाँ पे नौकरियाँ ढूंढेंगे, तो देखते हैं इनको नौकरियाँ तो मिले नहीं और ये शायद बेकारी बन गए हैं। इन्हीं से जानते हैं कि एक्सक्यूज़ मी, हेलो, हाउ आर यू?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm sorry.
I just want to make some video. Do you have any problem? Not? Okay, well, okay, where are you from?
Germany.
Germany.
Yes.
And what are you doing here?
Now I'm sitting on the grass. And I'm
sorry?
meeting you. In this moment, I'm sitting on the grass and I'm meeting you. But I'm not
Just for relaxation or?
in this time, yes, because I need a rest in this moment. Before I choose in some places where I come, some spots like this. If I feel good, and I like to share positive energy, you know, like smiling, good words, coming together.
What's your purpose to sit here?
Making a rest.
Only making rest.
Yes. I'm sitting here. You mean when I stay there?
I saw.
No. It means that people can come to me and whatever they like to share, like I like to share everything for free, they share with me. You know, we make stories about every place in the world. We come and make things together like art projects or sharings or helpings and everything for free. And if people like, they share some things with us, whatever they like.
जी, ये मैं आपको साथ साथ बता भी देता हूँ जो कि इंग्लिश नहीं जानते। ये कह रही हैं कि यहाँ पे ये कोई लोगों से मांग नहीं रहे, ये सिर्फ रिलैक्सेशन के लिए बैठे हुए हैं, लेकिन लोगों को स्माइल पास कर रहे हैं। लेकिन इनसे पूछते हैं कि इन्होंने यही रोड क्यों चूज़ किया, क्योंकि मोस्टली यहाँ पे बहुत से फुकरा नज़र आते हैं भीख मांगते हुए। तो why are you choosing this place? Because you
can explain on my own, you know. It's only a feeling. If I feel some place is good, then I stay there. And people every time say, no, he's not so good for this thing, you can better go there. And I say, no, I only see what's my feeling telling.
You like to see roads or grass?
I cannot tell you. I only feel in this place good. That's all. Then I stay.
Okay, you are only here just for sharing smile or love to other people.
Together, yes, because I think we are on this family, on this world, one family, and we are so much separating and thinking only about bad things of each other and all this negativity, you know.
Do you know Urdu? Speak.
A little bit, like Assalamu alaikum, alaikum assalam, kya hal hai?
ठीक है.
Yes, बहुत शुक्रिया और शुक्रिया. Pani, if I need some things for drinking. Yeah, but not so much. I'm sorry.
Sorry, I don't ask you. What is your name?
Mika.
Mika is asking. Mika बोल रही हैं कि जो इनके साथ हैं ये नहीं बात करते. Since when are you in Pakistan?
Since last year, the 30th of April.
In April.
Yeah.
And what's your next destination?
India.
India.
Hopefully, if they open the border for Corona. They close, not they open the border for Corona, I mean they closed the border because of Corona, and now I hope they open the border again.
ये अभी यही कह रहे हैं कि इसका जो आगे जो जाएंगे ये इंडिया की तरफ ये रवाना होंगी. Okay, Mika, tell me, what did you do in Germany?
I did many things. First I learned to be a kindergartner, and then I studied social work. And after I studied a special kind of therapeutics with addiction, I wanted to help people every time. Like now I every time like to share some good things. Before I wanted to find this as well in every job. And then I do more in this way, like for helping in a way of body or whatever. And then after I go in a nutritionist, and after I make more things with philosophy and an art way and whatever. And I try everything, you know. And after I put everything together, and I thought, I go in the world and I share everything for free.
ये बस यही कह रही हैं कि सुबह सुबह उठकर लस्सी पिया करें, बड़ी फ़ायदेमंद होती है। ना सॉरी, मैं आपको रियल वर्ड्स बताता हूँ। ये कह रही हैं कि बस ये स्टडी करती हैं जर्मनी में, और वहाँ पर इनका थेरेपी का एक सिस्टम है, वो काम करती हैं, और बाकी इनका मेन मकसद जस्ट फॉर शेयरिंग लव, मतलब लोगों में प्यार बांटना है। विल ही शेयर स्माइल टू अदर्स?
Sometimes he does this too, not so often like me, because he not likes that people talk with him.
He's looking like angry.
Yeah, no, he not like to smile because then people like to talk, and he not like to talk, you know.
Okay, are you traveler or not?
Yes, of course.
Traveler. Okay, have you visited our northern areas?
No, because we come by car, and with this car, it's our own car. With this car, we are only allowed to go with an escort service in Pakistan from the Taftan border where we come from Iran. Then we go to Quetta, and then we go to Islamabad, and then here to Lahore, and we can go to the Wagah border to India, but not in the north or in the south.
Amiga, tell me, where are you live?
We stay everywhere on the world in our car. We come from Germany by car, and we have in the top a roof.
You are come there in car?
Yeah, we come by car and we go everywhere by car. And we have on the top a rooftop tent. It's very comfortable and we sleep inside. And in the back we have some kitchen stuff.
Where is your car right now?
Now in this moment we have a place in the near of the Rescue Academy.
Okay.
1122, you know this, yes? But I wanted to say, in the back he built inside some, with wood, some things for I can put my nutrition health things and whatever I need for together putting for the food inside, and we have something for cooking there also and whatever. And in the back we have a big box.
Just like your home.
Yes, our home.
Okay, यही कह रही हैं कि इनका कहना है कि ये गाड़ी में रहती हैं, और ये जर्मनी से गाड़ी में सफ़र करके यहाँ पाकिस्तान है, अभी आगे इंडिया जाएंगी, और गाड़ी में ही सोती हैं, गाड़ी में खाना खाते हैं। इन्होंने गाड़ी को घर बनाया हुआ है। तो would you like to work in our channel?
In your channel? Yeah.
Lamha News?
I have no knowledge about technical things, you know. You make everything in this way. I think I'm the most bad person in this way you can have, because I cannot help you. I can talk, yes. Sweet corn.
Okay, tell me, Mika, where are you from eating? Have you ever visited our restaurants?
Yeah, I not like so much to go to restaurants. Sometimes I find some things there, but normally they offer, mostly in Pakistan, but in Germany the same things with meat, you know. And I'm vegan. I eat fruit and vegetables, and so I not find so many things. But sometimes I eat rice there and chickpeas. Yeah, I like so much. I eat often also in Pakistan. There are such a wonderful, delicious sauce with chickpeas and then bread. This is okay. But I have some problems with digestion, so much heavy things. So in the home I every time cook soup, or I eat some steamed vegetable. They are not so heavy for me. And then I eat raw food. Like so much I love the mangoes. Pakistani mangoes are the best I have ever eaten. And then after vegetables in every way.
Okay, जी इनका कहना यही है, जो कि मुझे भी अभी समझ नहीं आई, तो मैं इनसे पूछता हूँ कि क्योंकि शोर बहुत चल रहा है यहाँ पे, गलत ना लीजिएगा। अभी इनसे पूछते हैं कि लस्सी को पसंद करती हैं कि नहीं, लस्सी पीती हैं? Are you know about lassi drink?
Yes, there's milk inside and yogurt, yes?
Yogurt, yeah.
Yeah, I cannot digest this.
Have you drink?
But because of the milk, cow milk, I cannot drink cow.
Are you vegetarian?
Yeah, more vegan.
Well, the Chacha is sitting there. He's continuously looking at you. Why?
He gives me positivity. Every time he smile, if I smile, then he take from me, then I take from him.
Pass the smile to Chacha.
Yeah, you see? Thank you.
Chacha is shy.
Yeah, no problem.
Do you know about the word Chacha? It's type like uncle.
Okay. He's very good.
Yeah, he is very good, and you don't know, he is like acting like poond. Do you know the word poond?
No?
I'm telling you, the word poond is just like to staring like this to others. This is the meaning of boom.
Yeah, okay.
Now you understand?
Yeah, but I not feel some bad things now.
That's good. Okay.
You know, if you are reacting with positive energy, that's what I mean why I'm on this way. Then energy comes in positive way back, you know. If you not have fear or some bad feeling, then mostly or every time experiences, the good things come back.
ये कह रही हैं कि मुझे पॉजिटिविटी मिलती है जब मैं किसी को स्माइल पास करती हूँ और यहाँ पे ये स्माइल पास करने के लिए बैठे हैं, तो जब अगला बंदा भी इनको स्माइल पास करता है तो इनको एक एनर्जी हासिल होती है, तो वो उस एनर्जी के लिए ही यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं। ये इनका मकसद है यहाँ पे बैठने का। अच्छा चाचा जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम सलाम।
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਘੰਟੇ ਤੋਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੇਖੀ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਕਿਉਂ?
बस ये देख रहे हैं बेचारे क्या कर रहे हैं, पता नहीं की कर रहे हैं, की हो रहा है, की गुर्बत में है।
ਮਜ਼ਾ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ? ਸੁਬਹ ਦੇ ਬੈਠੇ
जी
ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਵੇਖੀ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ
जी हाँ जी,
ਸਹੀ ਇੰਜੋਏ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ?
बस इंजॉय की कर रहे हैं बेचारे, हम देख रहे हैं पता नहीं
ਵਿਚਾਰੇ ਥੋੜੀ ਨੇ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੇਖਦੇ ਪਏ ਹੋ ਵਿਚਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ।
मजबूर हैं की है की चल रहा है।
ਲੇਕਿਨ ਉਹ ਮਾਈਂਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਵੇ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬੈਠੇ ਰਹੋ ਰਾਤ ਤੱਕ। ਕਿੱਥੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ? ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਵੇਖਦੇ ਰਹੋ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਸਮਾਈਲ ਪਾਸ ਕਰੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ, ਦੋ ਵੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਰਹਿਣਗੇ। ਇੰਝ ਹੀ ਗੱਲ ਵੱਧਦੀ ਹੈ ਫਿਰ ਅੱਗੇ।
सही बात है क्यों
ਅੱਲਾ ਖੈਰ ਕਰੇਗਾ। ਵਿਆਹ ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ?
जी
ਅੱਛਾ 6 ਬੱਚੇ ਨੇ ਮਾਸ਼ਾਅੱਲਾ। ਤੇ ਹੋਰ ਵੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹ ਰਹੇ?
हाँ
ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਉਹ ਬੜਾ ਬਿਲਡਰ ਹੈਗਾ ਨਾ।
अल्लाह खैर करेगा।